Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Upper Glams and I'm back with another video. So this is a quick bridal slay for my real bride Joy. So I'm just gonna take you guys through what I did, and yeah, let's go. So the first thing I'm doing here is to use the micellar cleansing water to cleanse her face. What this does is it helps remove dirt and oil from pores and also gently balances skin without over drying it. So yeah, that is one step that I love to do. Then the next thing I'm doing now is I'm using the Embryolase moisturizer. I don't know if it's Embryolase moisturizer. Yeah, so this is more like a multifunctional moisturizer. It can serve as a moisturizer and also as a primer. So I'm applying it on her skin, ensuring that it covers every part of her face, making sure it's well blended into her skin. So that's what I'm doing now, just ensuring I blend it very well into her skin. Then the next thing I do after the moisturizer, I go in with my Remy London Stay Matte Primer, and I also tend to apply this on a T-zone and yeah, places where I know she's more prone to oils in her face. So I apply this all over as well. Then the next step is to go in with the Pond. This is a very popular product as well. So the Pond is also to help with the oils from her skin because she has really oily skin. So all of this is just to help ensure that the face stays matte, and also more like ensuring that the makeup stays in place all through the day. Remember, it's a bridal makeup, so we want the glow to stay from the beginning to the end. Then the next thing is I'm going in with the Milani Mills Body Radiance in deep gold. So I'm just applying this on places where I know that I would normally, where the lights normally hit on her face, her forehead, chin, the high point of her cheekbone. So these are places where I know the lights normally would hit, and then basically just going through with the remaining product all over her face before I apply the foundation. So for her, I used for the foundation I used the Maybelline foundation. I can't really remember the shade, the number that I used, but if I do, I'm just gonna leave that in the description box. But yeah, I used the Maybelline foundation, and what I'm doing now with my blending brush is that I am blending, ensuring that I blend the foundation into her skin. Now whenever I watch my videos where I do makeup, it's looking like I am pounding her face, like poking. But yeah, it's not really that hard. It's really soft and gentle on her face, so yeah, you won't really feel the poking that much. So what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to blend the foundation into her face, one part at a time, ensuring that it's well blended into her skin. And then the next step for me after foundation is highlighting, and I'm going to highlight her face as well, the usual regular stuff under the eye, the bridge of the nose, the forehead, the sheen. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm going to do with the concealer. And the concealer I used is mixture of NARS concealer and Elegant concealer. I just mixed like three different shades. I just mix to what I really want. So yeah, then you're going to blend that as well. Ensure you blend and blend and blend and blend and blend. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, blending. And then the next thing after contour highlighting is to contour. And for contouring, I used the black opal stick foundation in, I think it's in carob. Yeah, I think that's what I used, the shade that I used, carob. And I'm also contouring, trying to bring back the definition back to the face, because when you highlight and after applying foundation you highlight, it's just going to look bland. But yeah, so I'm just contouring the face, then ensuring that I blend that very well. So you want to ensure that you don't have harsh lines on the face, so you take your time and you really blend and blend and blend and blend and blend. So after blending that, I'm just going to go straight to a nose as well, and also contour the nose as well. So after the bridge of the forehead, the sheen, I'll go straight into the nose. And guys, I actually did lost some of my video clips, so you're going to see me jumping for some of the steps, but I've done the basic one, which is the skin walk, foundation, contouring. Yeah, so yeah, this is me just doing the nose. And then the next step for me, which I really love doing, is to set the face first with a powder before I go in with a translucent powder. So I'm just setting the face with the melanin powder, and then I'm going to set now with a loose powder, and I use the airspun loose powder all over her face. Then I'm just going to dust off the excess using the same melanin powder that I used to set the face originally. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to ensure that I use a shade of powder to just set everything. Then I'm going to go back to the places I contoured and going with a darker shade of powder, and I used the slick powder in I can't remember, but I also used the Maybelline cacao powder as well, slick and the Maybelline powder, to contour a face. Then I moved straight into a brow. So I used the Beauty Line by Didi brow pencil in the shade brown, and then yeah, that is what I used for our eyebrows. Then I also did clean out our brows with the same concealers that I used to highlight a face earlier on. That's the same concealer shade that I used to clean out our brows. So guys, I lost some videos, so you won't be seeing me applying our eyeshadow, but not to worry, you just get to see the finished look. We've done the main ones, which is the skin walk, the foundation, highlighting and contouring. So you're just going to see the finished product. And I also did style her hair. I did a bridal hair as well, which you will also get to see. So guys, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone. I can see my new subscribers. You're welcome to the family. You get to see more content from me. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to drop a comment, click on the notification bell so you get to see new content from me. And yes guys, thank you so much guys. All right then, bye.